New York's architectural history is long and dynamic. The city's skyline is iconic and constantly evolving. In the 19th century, New York embraced neoclassical styles. Skyscrapers began dominating in the 20th century. The Empire State Building epitomizes Art Deco design. The Chrysler Building is also a notable Art Deco structure. Mid-century modernism brought a sleek, minimalist style. The World Trade Center was a symbol of modern innovation. Postmodern architecture added eclecticism and irony. Today, sustainability influences new building designs. Historic preservation efforts maintain the city's heritage. Central Park is a vital urban architectural project. The High Line repurposes old rail lines into public space. Gentrification affects architectural landscapes significantly. New York remains a global architectural trendsetter. Every neighborhood reflects diverse architectural narratives.